Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So we've been going down all week long. I've been saying look for shorts unless you get a break to the upside at a fib level, which has definitely not happened yet. In order to see that break of structure to the upside at a fib level, we definitely need to tune our time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think the most recent structure is right here, and that is roughly a 2 to 4 hour time frame structure. If price goes up at a Fibonacci retracement level and then breaks this high, I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs on pullbacks. Otherwise, just like I've been recommending all week long, I would look at every single move I see to the upside as nothing more than a possible pullback within the downtrend, and likely nothing more than a possible opportunity to go short again for the continuation of this downtrend. At least until we get a break of shorts into the upside, I'm definitely still only looking for shorts in a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.